Right now, Jake is priming the pipette to make sure there isn't any particles in it, to make sure we get an accurate observation. We're going to do this 3 times with this regular water, and then we're going to do that with the solution.
Daniel is now priming the pipette with the solution.
Say we're going to do it 3 times.
He's doing it 3 times.
Okay, Daniel is tearing the balance to 0 and putting the empty beaker on the balance.
Now we're measuring the mass of 20 milliliters of water in the beaker that we've already determined the mass for.
We recorded the mass at different volumes and found that it all had the same density. We are now measuring the mass of 40 milliliters of water from the graduated cylinder. The meniscus is a curved upper surface of a liquid in a tube.
The concave meniscus occurs when the molecules of the solution are attracted to those of the container.
The stock solution in the pipette shows that the volume is 5.1 milliliters.
We also recorded the mass of various volumes of water by the graduated cylinder, and notice that it is less accurate than the graduated pipette. This is probably due to higher intervals of graduations in this graduated cylinder. Here is another drawing to visualize the meniscus.
This is showing that we are starting with 20 milliliters of the stock solution, and this is showing the meniscus at 20. We're going to tear to 0. Shut the door.
Here in the volumetric flask, the meniscus sits directly on top of the graduation mark.
This is before and after we added 20 milliliters. It was originally 40 milliliters, and this is the meniscus after.
This is a 25 milliliter flask with the 20% stock solution in it. And we're trying to find the 10% dilution, so we're going to fill in the rest, which is just 12.5 milliliters, with water to dilute it. Here is the flask with 25 milliliters of the dilution. We're going to repeat this 3 times with the other values that I'll show you in the equations. Here are the equations for the serial dilutions in exercise 2. We have C1, which is the stock solution, which is 20%.
V1 is the required volume of the stock solution to create the desired dilution.
C2 is the desired dilution, and V2 is the set volume for the flask, which will be 25 milliliters.
Okay, Daniel is tearing the balance to 0, and we're putting an empty 25 milliliter volumetric flask in there to measure it. Okay, now we're measuring the mass of the 10% dilution.